What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, my friends. We've been calling this short for a while, and finally today we got a lot of follow through. So what I want to do right now is I want to talk about the day trades we took in SPY today. As well, I want to discuss the overall state of the futures market right now and where we're looking at and what's the potential going into the rest of this week. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right, so let's go do some shout outs right now, and we will get right into it. Dakota, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? Tad, G-Man, Bill, Trading Wars Army, Johnny, Briggs, Gus, Trading Wars Army, Curtis, Scratch, D. Robinson, Dakota, what's going on, brother? Todd, Trading Wars Army, Alpha, Trading Wars Army, Shannon, Hanok, what's going on, brother? Explain how the membership works. Sure thing, brother. I'll do that. It's on the Discord, brother. I'll show you that in a second. Bar, Trading Wars Army, Tess, Frank, Simone, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. Jim, Trading Wars Army, Catherine, good to see you. All right, let's do this. Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about what happened on the weekly chart. Okay, and let's just take a bigger picture look here. All right, so you could see this was the COVID rally, and we've been stair stepping down throughout the full year of last year, right? So let me just go ahead here, and I want to draw some fibs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's just focus on the 618 for now, and we'll add the 786 as well. Okay, so from the high, and I want you guys to take some notes if you can. This is going to be a very important lesson. All right, hit me with a 10 if you're ready. You ready to rock? This is going to be important. Okay, because I want to show you some of the techniques that I use, and then I also want to talk about the trade we took today. All right, so last year we called out this outside bar. Outside bars on the weekly chart, outside bars on any time frame, especially the higher time frame, guys, are very, very powerful patterns. Very powerful patterns. Okay, so we were watching these outside bars on SPY, and we had two short signals. The first short signal was back in November, and this one had a little push down and then faded. Okay, so that wasn't the real push. And then the second one here, this outside bar, was the big sell-off. So this is what we were tracking together last year. And why is an outside bar so powerful? An outside bar is so powerful because if you notice the high of December 4799.75, the outside bar, it made a high by a few more points. It trapped any people that were being greedy and wanted to buy the breakout, and it sold off. And that sell-off, trapping those rookie traders that buy at all-time highs, this is what it can lead to. All right, so just hit me with a 3 if you guys understand that concept. That's why outside bars are so powerful, because they are a trap candle. We trap because we're breaking the high and the low. So since then, we had our first major push down in the SP 500, which was back at the beginning of last year. We pushed down. Okay, so what do we do? How do we trade this? What we do is we trade fibs. We trade pullbacks because we want a deal. We don't want to get in at a bad price. So here we go. So the first high to low. So what I'll do, let's hit the replay. So all right, so let's do it together. Let's hit the replay. Okay, so there is our high. So what I'm teaching you here, guys, is, trust me, it's very invaluable. So take your time, and if you have any questions, leave it below. Okay, so here we go. So this is taking us to January. Okay, so you can see we have a low and a high. So what we do is we take our fib, and what we do is we wait for the golden zone right here. Okay, you can also add in the 50. This is the golden zone, 50 to 786. All right, and I literally coined that term. You'll see a lot of people copying it, but that's what it means to me. But what I want you to work on, take off the 50, and you can also take off the 786. Okay, I want you to focus on the 618 as a new trader. So we have this rally. We come to the 618. See that, guys? So we tagged the 618. The algorithm that shorted at the high, what the algorithm is trying to do is get a 61.8% discount. Okay, now we push over here. See, do you see how we rejected that twice so beautifully? That's the power of the 618. Hit me with the 1 if you saw that. All right, and then we made a new low. Okay, so the goal of the algorithm is always to trap traders. It's always to trap new traders. We make a new all-time high. Guess what? The rookies are going to buy, fade them. We make a new low. Guess what? The rookies are going to short, fade them. That's what it does. And more often than not, don't get me wrong, sometimes the breakout buyer will work, but out of 100 trades, you don't want to be on that side of the game. All right. So let's continue now. So now we have a new anchor. So now we continue. There's our 618 right back up here. There we go. Tag our 618. We push through a little bit right there. This is where I will add the 786. Okay. You don't have to trade it, but it's like that second level. Okay. So there's our rejection right there. And then again, sell off. Okay. So now from here, we made our new low, and we can see we have a new anchor point here. So what we do now is we move our anchor. We go from high, and we're just waiting to see where it bottoms out. Okay, we're waiting to see where it bottoms out. So there's our bottom so far. We move it down. Again, we're watching that 618. Okay, like that. And then we were doing this all live last year together, right? So in this case, we don't get a pullback, so we just keep moving our anchor. Okay, just keep moving your anchor, just waiting for that 618. Move your anchor again. Okay, I'm gonna let it play out. Okay, so let me just put the speed. Actually, let it play out. Let it play out. Let it take its time. So you see how I'm moving my anchors? That's what you keep moving your anchors in real time. Keep moving your anchors. Now this is the price action playing it out. We're waiting here. Your 618, 786. We're waiting patiently. All of this, guys, all of this is noise, right? That's noise. We don't want to chase down here. We want to get a good deal. Okay. So now we're coming up here. We're coming up here. Watching our 618. We're being patient. There it is. There's our first 618 touch. That's your first short entry. Can also come in here on the 786, right? Your maximum stop loss is always the swing high right there. Okay. There's your maximum stop loss. And then you can see there, boom, there's our 618. Very, very nice. All right. Coming back down. Okay. Coming back down. So this trick, you can see every time we did a 618, we had a candlestick confirmation. We had that, and that's in my book. Okay. That's in my book for you guys that are looking for that. And now we had this candle that came in. Okay. So this is where we are right now. So I'm going to let this play out. You see how we made a new low here? Let this play out. And now we're popping right back up. So this is where we are in the present time. I'm going to fast forward. Boom. Okay. So now, guys, this is where we stand. The first Fibonacci we have is from the last swing high, which is here. Take this all the way down. And you can see there was another algorithm on that 618.76. This is the type of stuff that actually blows my mind. Because if you just played the fibs throughout the year, it's just literally the same thing over and over again. But obviously at some point it's going to change. But there's so much money to be made, and the risk to reward is in your favor. Because why? Because you have the patience to get the pullback. Okay. So now what I've been following very closely is this last anchor. This one really caught my attention. Why did that catch my attention? Look at the high of this candle, 4180. Do you guys see that? The high is 4180. So as soon as we touch 4180, 4180, as soon as we touch it, we sold out. Bam. Okay. So why is that important? It's important to me because that could be a sign of a major algorithm shorting there. Okay. Because it's exactly on the level. Like that level of precision is usually robot. All right. Hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. So we've seen that level of precision. So what I did there is I went ahead now and I took my Fibonacci from that high and I brought it down to the low. And you could see, now I'm going to go to the hourly chart so you could see the price action here. You could see there was our 786 and our 618. So the first time we tagged the 618 back on Monday of last week, we rejected, and now we hit the 786 and we rejected as well. But what makes this even more powerful for me, guys, personally, is we were following this smaller fib on the hourly chart. If I go from low to high right here, and I'm going to put on the full extensions here. The 272 extension. So there was a bull algorithm trading on the smaller time frame. Push, pull back, and it traded to its extension, guys. And its extension lined up exactly with the 786 in this area right here. And that's when we saw this big, look at this outside bar, wham, came in, bam. Because what happened? It went ahead, it made a new high, and then turned around, whoom, very viciously, right? And that is the trap, okay? So since that point, this is our short signal, right? Just like we had on the yearly chart, just like we have on the weekly chart, right? If I remove everything here and I go back to the weekly, isn't that very similar to this? Very similar to this, very similar to this. I love those outside bars, okay? So we also had a signal that came in this morning at 11 a.m. This is the Trading Wars Holy Grail. This is the Holy Grail pattern. This is when we have the yellow highlight. The short signal was here. That went for about, 10, 15 points. Not bad at all. So make sure, if you don't have the indicator, I'm going to show you where to get it. Tradingwars.com/resources. Go to the website here. That Tradingview indicator is at the bottom right here. You can add it right there. Okay. So that one, no charge on that one. Okay, guys. All right. I don't know why it's taking so long, but there we go. Okay. So that's where we are. So what did I do today? What did I do today? Okay. Let's talk about the day trades. So what did I do? All right. So I'm going to show you guys this. So I'm going to hit the replay on today, and I'm going to walk you through the trade that we took. So brother said, Omar, I bought a book today. Thank you, brother. I appreciate your support. You're just in time. We only have 2 more days left for the sale. So welcome to me, brother. Appreciate you. All right. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you what did I do from a day trading perspective today. Okay. So that's the bigger picture. But when we day trade, guys, we can still make money doing long or short. It doesn't matter. This is the power of day trading. Let me show you the power of day trading. Hit me with the 8 if you're ready. All right. Get the pen and the pad out. Okay. So we know from a swing trading perspective, from a bigger time frame perspective, we have this short playing out on the bigger picture. However, from a day trading perspective, what do we? Hi, Rich, bought your Fib book and trying to decide which channel to join. SPY or stock? Join SPY, brother. Join SPY. Okay. There's a lot of live comments. Stocks are mainly for people that are doing automated. Okay. So what do we do now? From a day trading perspective, guys, we don't care. We can go long, we can go short, we can do whatever we want because that's what day trading is. We're in and out. That's why I tell you guys, I love day trading. We can make as much money as we want. We can short, we can go long, we can do anything we want. That's the power of day trading. That's why we day trade. So let me show you what I did this morning. So here we go. 6:30 Pacific, 9:30 Eastern. I said, get ready for the 3-minute orb. We went long at 6:39 Pacific, 9:39 Eastern. And check this out. Okay, so I'll show you. So this was our first 3-minute bar right here. So once this high broke, we went long. Boom, boom, this Nirvana. So this is my premium pattern. If you get the book, you get the Nirvana. From there, guys, boom, 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 bang. Okay, so don't look at that. That's a beautiful opening range breakout. So from a points perspective, that went for 76, about 20 points. That's $1,000. This move right here is $1,000 on one contract. All right. So you don't need to constrain yourself. We play the setups, right? That's why I play the setups here. Okay. So, and then if we go from low to high, you could see, guys, we had this beautiful 618. You see how beautiful that 618 was? We came in right here. So even if you missed the opening range breakout, we go low to high. We pulled back right on that 618 right there, guys. Beautiful 618 touch. And then we traded exactly to the 272 extension. This is why I love the fibs. You guys see that? Hit me with an 11 if you saw that. That is absolutely stunning, beautiful. And guess what happens after that? Pay close attention. Okay. We pull to the 618. The algo fills. You can see it right there. We come to the 272 and watch now. Straight down. You see that, guys? Like, I'm stunned. I'm stunned. I'm stunned. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's why we love the Fibonacci. And this is what's trying to play out here. It's the same thing. If I go right here, low to high. Sorry, I gotta go back on the 5. Show you guys. Actually, no, it's on the hourly. Sorry. It is here. Okay. This is the same thing that's trying to pull out right there. There's your 618. There's your 272. It's, oh my God. It's as above, so below in trading. The same thing that just happened on the 5-minute chart there is trying to play itself out on the weekly chart and the hourly chart. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right. So we took our long, guys. We loaded up on our fib right there. Trade to extension right here. This is when the rookies get in. Okay. The rookies get in because they're like, oh my God, the market, this is a bull market. We are going to the roof. Oh, I got to get in. I got to get in. New high, new high. Oh, it is a new high. I'll show you. I'll show you. This is what they do. I'll show you. 1 second. Okay. So let me show you. I hit the replay. All right. And I'm not trying to knock anybody. What I'm trying to say, guys, I'm trying to protect your account. I'm trying to show you guys, if you trace often enough, you're going to get destroyed. Okay. So I'll show you. Okay. So we as Fibonacci traders, we know low to high, we're trying to trade to this 272 extension. Okay. So we're waiting on buying the dip right here. We have an order to buy the dip right here. We have an order that's waiting right there. Okay. So we buy here. But what does mainstream teach you? I'll show you right now. Watch this now. Okay. This is your flat top breakout. Okay. Flat top breakout. Okay. So now where do you get in? Okay. Oh, boom. There's our confirmation. I'm long. I'm long. I'm long. I'm long. Boom. Oh, yeah. I'm up 2%. Yep. 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 I'm holding this. Oh. Same with the 5, if that makes sense. If you're trading, guys, you need to get a good deal. How are you going to get a good deal up here? Oh, but no, I have FOMO. Oh, but it's a flat top. Oh, but it's a wedge and hedge and sedge. How? Here. There's the algo. Be one with the algo or lose your money. The choice is up to you. Obviously, it's not going to work 100% of the time, but would you rather be down here and double up when we go, or do you want to chase it and always have a negative risk to reward? That's the question I'm going to leave with you guys today. Thank you very much for your time, my friends. I very much appreciate you. I'm excited to continue to trade tomorrow. This is the last. You have 2 more days to get the 3-month deal. Okay, 2 more days. All right. And this is only for January. I am not bringing it back. Okay. So instead of 1 month, you get 3 months in the room. 3 months, 90 days instead of 30 days. Get any one of my books, $99.99. You get my premium indicators, Nirvana and Golden, for life. You get those indicators for life, and you get 90 days in the Discord. Take advantage. 2 more days left. Get any book. Okay. I recommend the Fib book, the SPY book. If you're stock, you want to check out the stock options trading. Right now, we're doing the bundle deal. So for the bundle deal, guys, normally I do 4 months, all 3 books and 2 seminars. But instead of 4 months, you're going to get 12 months. Okay. For $7.99. So you get the whole year. If you're serious, if you want to come learn, you want to trade with the community, guys, this is your time. If you're interested, this is the January deal I'm doing so that I could get you ready for the year. Okay. Check out the resource section. Even if you don't want to trade with us, that's totally fine. What I challenge you to do is download this journal. It's a free journal. Fill in all of your trades here. After 100 trades, let's see where you stand. Okay. Brokers, charting platforms, it's all in there. And Trendspider scans. Let's see what we have. So let's see if we have anything nice. So I'm going to post the picks right after. So make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube. Subscribers will get free daily picks, and premium subscribers, anybody in the Trading Wars army will get premium picks as well. Okay. So I'll take care of everybody. All right, guys, listen, on your way out, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the fibs. Let me know what you think about the market. Just let me know what's going on. All right. We're in this together. We're going to make it through this year, and we just want to finish profitable. That's what we want to do, guys. We want to finish profitable. So no blue raindrops right now that I like. I think actually is loading. Costco. I love trading Costco. This is a very tight blue raindrop with an inside bar. It's going to be one of my picks for tomorrow. QCOM used to be one of my big plays back in the day. I still like it here. Very tight blue raindrop. You can see the last one had a big sell-off here. So that is looking for some volatile movements tomorrow. So those are a few. All right. And guys, Trendspider, if you use Trendspider right here, you can get 35% off. Use code TWZ35. Or if you're already a member, let them know you want to join the Trading Wars affiliate, and then they'll go ahead and set you up with all my scans and indicators. Which is the best book to buy for automated trades? I would look at the SP500 book, which is this one right here. Right here. All right. Check that one out. So thank you again. Have a great day. I'm going to go get some nice steak or something tonight and just relax. All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much.